Hi everyone, this is Nishant again with a new video like why 683 executive chose IIM KOI Code 18 batch of EPGP. What IIM KOI Code doing different like none of the IIMs doing right now? The answer is in this video. Let's start with the video today. So IIM KOI Code established in 1996. Until that now, executive program of IIM have created the history that the batch size of this IIM KOI Code EPGP program is actually record breaking. Last year in 18 batch, they enrolled 683 candidates. All other IIMs are not able to enroll even half of the candidate what IIM KOI Code doing. So the USP of IIM KOI Code is that they are giving flexibility into the classes. What kind of flexibility that they are giving? Like all other IIMs are not able to do that. Because whenever we talk about online program, it's always coming with the disadvantage of that we are not included in the program that much, right? So we're going to talk about the IIM KOI Code accreditation and ranking. IIM KOI Code have all the world-class accreditation like AMBA. This is the first IIM who got AMBA accreditation in 2010. The EQUIS accreditation and AACSB membership they have. Ranking, IIM KOI Code is third ranked in NRF 2025. Apart from this, the IIM KOI Code is also have a lot of global rankings itself. QS executive ranking for MBA EPGP program that is globally between the band of 161 to 170. In Asia, that is 22nd ranked itself. Apart from this, Financial Times MIM Masters in Management ranking that is 69th ranked globally. Apart from this, 65th globally ranked Financial Times Global MBA 2026 rank. 70th ranked globally in Financial Times Open Enrollment ranking. So with this all ranking, that is one of the executive program that all people are choosing right now because that is also open, having open application right now. The application is going on. You have to go through with the EMAT examination and then personal interview and you will be getting the offer letter. Apart from this, there will be a campus immersion as well. 3 campus immersion. The one is in the starting of the program. The second is in the starting of the second year. Third will be in the end of the program itself. And after that, there is also provision for international campus immersion in different premium colleges outside India. But you need to pay extra for that, right? So everyone is asking for the airfare and also lodging, accommodation and everything for international campus immersion. So they're charging right now 16,75,000 rupees plus 12,000. This is the entire amount that you need to pay for this particular program. Apart from this, if we talk about the application, the first round is going on right now and the dates are there. It's already out. The first round is from 16th March to 15th May and date of EMAT examination is 17th May and 29th May itself. Interviews will be conducted on 6th, 13th and 14th June 2026. But the classes will be started in December 2026 itself. So if you're planning for 2026 December and you don't know how to prepare for it, you don't know how to exactly crack personal interview, we already have expertise into that. In the last 10 to 15 batches, we have a lot of the candidates to which exactly we given the assistance into that, the prep itself, which is completely free of cost. You can just drop the message on the given WhatsApp number and you will be getting entire things done free of cost, the like preparation and also the interview tips and everything, and you have a high chance to get into it. Definitely the ROI part is also there. Otherwise, none of the candidates is going to be pay for that much of amount with this kind of batch size itself for longer time itself. Now it's 18 years itself, right? It's a 19 batch. So 18 batch already हो चुके हैं. ऐसा possible ही नहीं हो सकता कि अगर ROI candidates को नहीं मिल रहा है फिर भी they are investing money. So definitely, and you also have a very good alumni people over the LinkedIn, right? By which you can just take reviews about the program as well. कि कैसा program है, how it is going to be like classes, how the pedagogy they're using, what is the credibility of the program into the market. Every question being answered because there's a lot of candidates out there and you can connect anytime and you can accept the offer when you got all the positive reviews about this program only. So we are just going to message us and we will help you out thoroughly for this particular program. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.